To seek the right long-term outcomes for clients, we allocate our clients' capital to companies that we believe will be successful in the future. It's our belief that businesses that commit to sustainable practices and high standards of governance will enjoy a competitive advantage over the long term. At Aberdeen Standard Investments, our goal is to invest for a better future, making a difference to the lives of our clients, our people, and our shareholders. To that end, we have been incorporating environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, considerations into our investment processes for over 25 years. As part of this, we're committed to help the United Nations achieve its vitally important Sustainable Development Goals.
Environmental, social, and governance is deeply embedded within all of our investment processes for the companies in which we invest or whose bonds we buy. As active stewards of our clients' money, we believe it is our duty to help them achieve their financial goals. And a big part of this is to make sure we engage frequently with the boards of directors and management teams to inform our investment decisions. We also seek to influence those companies in a positive way to the benefit of all stakeholders.
We adopt a similar approach when we invest in physical assets too. Real estate is a good example. This accounts for around 40% of energy used globally. So how we manage real estate has an important role to play in mitigating the environmental impact of our buildings. This includes cutting greenhouse gas emissions and working with tenants to improve energy and water efficiency.
Our analysts really work to understand the companies in which we invest. For example, where companies are heavily dependent on carbon-intensive assets, we need to know that they are taking into account all of their risks around climate change and the energy transition. Where a company's principal asset is its people, we ask things like, how are they treating them? Our ultimate goal is to invest in ambitious companies that do the right thing by their employees, the environment, customers, and their investors.
There's a wide range of sustainable investment options that can help clients achieve their goals. This includes investing in an equity or bond fund that avoids companies in certain industries, such as tobacco and weapons manufacture. Funds can also exclude businesses that don't perform well in areas of environmental, social, or corporate responsibility. And this can combine with engagement strategies to generate what we call sustainable and responsible investment fund options.
Another solution is impact investing, which refers to investments made into companies, organisations and funds that aim to generate not just good financial return, but also a measurable, beneficial outcome in a social or environmental context. There are many ways to define and measure social or environmental impact, but the goals set out by the United Nations are increasingly employed to identify these most pressing global issues.
Our commitment to ESG doesn't end once we invest in a company or buy an asset. On a regular basis, we actively engage with the investments we've made to learn more about the long-term prospects and allow us to encourage adoption of best practice.
One common theme we discuss is gender diversity. This ties in directly to the UN's goal of achieving gender equality and empowering all women and girls, which we agree is a necessary foundation for a peaceful, prosperous and sustainable world. This diversity can improve their decision-making and overall performance, and can make a big difference to employee well-being, the talent they can attract, and their ability to retain that talent.
Asset managers are able to harness the power of impact opportunities across asset classes through listed equity and credit funds, or through private market strategies and direct investments. These strategies and funds can target a variety of opportunities and include focused portfolios which seek to address one issue. One such portfolio we've launched is dedicated to investments promoting fair employment opportunities and job creation. Others are broader in their impact focus, like our Global Impact Portfolio, targeting a range of positive social and environmental outcomes.
Using the power of capital, we believe investors can bring better health and education to millions, help restore the planet's ecological balance, build inclusive societies, and so much more.
The world faces numerous challenges, from climate change and pollution to inequality and poverty, and asset managers can play a vital role in helping to address these issues.
That is why Aberdeen Standard Investments aims to be a global leader in ESG investment. In doing so, we believe we can not only protect and enhance the value of our clients' investments, but can also help create a fairer and more sustainable world.